Welcome to Work Management for Planners, a crucial component of heavy industry planning basics. As a planner aiming to elevate your skills, you're about to embark on a journey that will transform your approach to work management in heavy industry. At the heart of this course is the Reliability Asset Management Program, or RAMP. We'll guide you through mastering the planning flow, work orders, and budgets within this powerful framework. Our course is divided into 2 essential lessons, each designed to enhance your planning prowess. First, the work management process. Here, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of how work management guides planners within RAMP. You'll learn to navigate the planning flow with confidence, ensuring every task aligns with organizational goals and industry best practices. Next, we'll dive into the work order process. This lesson will empower you to create, prioritize, and monitor work orders with precision. You'll master the art of data analysis, enabling you to make informed decisions that optimize workflow and resource allocation. By mastering these processes, you'll transform chaos into order, inefficiency into productivity, and uncertainty into confident decision-making. Remember, following industry standard work processes isn't just a best practice. It's your key to success as a planner. These proven methodologies will set you apart in the field, making you an indispensable part of any planning team. Whether you're creating work orders, prioritizing tasks, or analyzing key data, this course equips you with the tools to excel in work management and drive tangible results in your organization. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of effective work management and elevate your career? Begin your work management journey now, and let's dive into our first lesson on understanding the work management process. Your path to planning excellence starts here.